Okay, so why being cited in AI answers matters more than ranking in Google? So this I'm going to answer this question in this video with complete explanation. So if you're a business owner or someone who has a website, who has a business, or who has a SaaS company, this video is going to be super beneficial for you because I'm going to work through the whole process, like why you need, why it is essential to have citations, to earn citations rather than showing up in traditional search engine rankings. Okay, so the first thing is the shift from SEO to AO. In 2018, people used to use Google for searching about different types of products, different types of services they need. What they used to do is that they used to open Google, they used to type different types of they used to type keywords about different types of services or products what they need and which they need, and then the Google used to give them a list of websites, and they used to explore the websites and click on the one which resonates with them the most. So in 2026, it's not the same. The search has changed, fundamentally changed. So what is happening right now is that people are using AI LLMs. People are using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. People are opening ChatGPT and typing different types of queries rather than just two or three keywords. So people are typing long queries, short queries, long queries about their needs, about different type, they include different type of information in the query so that AI can suggest the best possible answer for their need. So they are not using Google because they are not typing two or three keywords anymore. They're typing a long form query for their needs, and ChatGPT is going to read their queries, is going to parse what is going to understand what the user actually need, and then ChatGPT is going to explore the whole internet. ChatGPT is going to collect data from Reddit, Trustpilot, from Google, Bing, from every source of this internet, and then it is going to suggest the user a best possible answer or a site that resonates with them the most. Okay, so if I need some SEO services, let's like assume I need some SEO services, so I'm tapping in Google for like SEO services in Dhaka, and when I'm tapping in ChatGPT, I'm typing that I'm an agency owner. I have an in-house SEO team, but I need some SEO services. That means I need some freelancers to handle my GEO or AO part. So can you recommend some well-known and trust or the SEO and AO freelancers in Dhaka? Then ChatGPT is going to parse your needs, and then it's going to like explore the whole internet to give you a best possible answer. So now, why citation matter? Why citation matter? So when ChatGPT recommends a site, the user who is ready to buy, who is the most motivated to buy, is going to click on the website, is going to shortlist the website, is going or shortlist the site or shortlist the company for their next move. Okay, so the thing is, when people use Google for searching about different things, those people are at the top of the funnel. That means they're in the research phase. They're researching about different things. But when people typing in ChatGPT with a long query that I am this, I am that, I have this, I have that, and I need this or that, those people or those users are the most motivated to buy. So those users are ready to buy. They have made a decision that I need to buy, but I don't know what to buy, from whom to buy, so I need some recommendations. That's why they are using ChatGPT. So the quality of an user or of an audience or of a traffic gained from ChatGPT is like if you are getting traffic from ChatGPT, it's more likely that your ultimate conversions will be received from those traffic you received from the ChatGPT. That means LLM's traffic are more qualified than the search engine's traffic. The people who are googling things, who found your website in Google, who clicked on your website and um, like explored some pages, this user is at the research phase, is most likely to in the research phase. That means the top of the funnel, and the user who is typing in the sorry, in ChatGPT that I my budget is that I need that, so suggest me some AC or AU freelancers in Dhaka, whom I can afford with my budget. So I'm ready to buy. This user is ready to buy. User is most motivated to buy. This user is not deciding that whether I want to buy or not. This user has already made his mind that I need to buy, but I don't know from whom I need to buy. So that's why I'm asking ChatGPT from whom I need to buy. My budget is that. Okay, so the quality of an user or of a traffic gained from AI LLMs is is like this user is more high quality or is more qualified rather than the one who is gained through organic traffic or through search engines. Not being visible in the AI answers means you are invisible to your audience. What that means? Most people, 90% of people in this world are using ChatGPT, AI LLMs. So if you are not visible inside LLMs, they're not going to know about you. Like you are invisible for them. They don't know that you even exist. So that's why it's necessary to focus on AI citations rather than just focusing on the ranking position. Okay. The third thing is how engines choose citations. Now, choose to how ChatGPT chooses to cite a site, to recommend a site or recommend a website. So ChatGPT is going to explore the whole internet. It's going to collect information from Reddit. It's going to collect information from Trustpilot, from LinkedIn, from Google, from Bing, and then it's going to it's going to it's going to recommend the one who resonates with your value, like who gives the value, who provides the value you need. Okay, and who matches your budget. Okay, so AI LLMs is going to recommend you the sites with a strong authority, with a strong expertise, and with the knowledge, with the value or with the services that adds value to you. That means if they're selling SEO services and if their budget is under 500 and I need under 500, I need 100 services and I need this service under 500. That means my budget is 500. So this is a good choice for me, right? This is a good option for me. So ChatGPT is going to recommend you the best possible site or the best possible company, so that you can get value as a user. So that's why it's important for businesses to get cited inside LLMs to like to achieve the visibility inside LLMs. Now, that's why citations are more important than Google rankings, because the most motivated buyers who drive your pipeline, who drive your revenue, who drive your profit are typing in the are typing in the AI LLMs. They are typing inside ChatGPT. They are not typing generic keywords in Google search. In Google search, they are not typing generic keywords in traditional search engines. They're tapping long form query with more information inside AI LLMs so that AI LLMs can suggest the best possible answer for them. Now, the next thing is strategies to win citations. How can we win the citations? The fundamentals, the basic, the foundational SEO rules are going to be applied in this case as well. We are going to follow the SEO rules as well, but we need to do something different. We need to do something different. That means we need to build structured content that is retrieval. That means which AI can use to answer any users complex questions. Okay, so the thing is we need to build a structured content, EEAT, inspired content or expertise driven content contents that demonstrate our value, that demonstrates our expertise in the field. This type of content we need to build, and the ones that drive pipeline. So if you're a SaaS owner, this type of content will be like comparison pages, then alternative pages. These pages drive traffic. With that, these pages drive pipeline or revenue. So you need to also focus on the pages that drive revenue rather than driving simple top of the funnel traffic. Okay, and we need to use structured data or schema like review schema, FAQ schema. We need to we need to achieve uh, authoritative brand mentions with backlink from other niche relevant websites. So from niche relevant sites, from we need to achieve backlinks, or we need to obtain backlinks that are from niche relevant sites or high quality sites. So the backlinks or brand mentions need to be authoritative, needs to add value to our site or website. That's why those mentions, brand mentions, and those backlinks need need to be from niche relevant authoritative sites. Okay, then the thing is, we can show case studies which build trust. Business impact. Okay, now what is the business impact of AI citation? All right, so when AI is recommending you to an user, the user is going to trust you. The user is going to like trust you to make any deal with her, to make any deal. Because when AI recommends a site, it checks a lot of things. It can ChatGPT or AI collects data from Reddit, collects data from Google, then crawls your every pages, and then decides whether it should cite you or recommend you or not. So the thing is, when you are being cited by AI, you are visible to the buyers who are the most motivated to buy. Now the users is going to decide like from whom they want to buy. That's and if you are being recommended in a positive way, and if you are being recommended over your competitors, and you are relevant to the user's needs then or budget, then the it's more likely that the user who is the most motivated to buy is going to buy from you, is going to make a deal with you. And this is how AI citation upgrades your revenue growth or upgrades your profitability. How? Because when you just use Google, or when you just use Google to measure business impact, what happens is that Google, the people who are Googling things are the ones who are at the top of the funnel. So the ones who are at the bottom of the funnel and who are the most motivated to buy use ChatGPT or AI LLMs. They don't use Google. So if you're optimizing only for Google, not for AI engines, you are losing revenue on the table for your competitors to grab it. You are like you're leaving the revenue. That's why you need to work on your AO strategy. And as the world is being more digitalized, what is happening is that AI agents are controlling an user's buying journey. So the AI agent is deciding whom to show and whom not to, and whom to not. Like which business the agent should recommend to the user, and which business not to recommend to the user. So they are deciding everything. The AI agents are deciding everything and controlling the full buying journey of an user. That's why it is extremely essential to optimize for answer engine optimization. And then the next thing is future outlook. Okay, multimodal citations. Now we see the most citations in the text-based from forms. So soon this will change in video citations, and voice citations already exist. Now, so the last line is okay. So the last line is if you are ranking in the first position in Google SERP, it doesn't matter if you are not being cited inside ALLs. That's why it is essential to optimize your site for ALLs, not only for traditional search engines, because those engines are not going to upgrade your revenue, which is your main aim in a business. Okay, that's why it is extremely essential right now to optimize for the answer engine optimization. Now, if you want to know about now, if you're a business owner or SaaS owner who has some issues in their answer engine optimization strategy, you can just go to my LinkedIn and message me, and or you can just go to my LinkedIn and text me with you're curious like what is the problem you're facing in your search optimization journey, and what is this, and then we can explore more, we can discuss more about it. Okay, so if you're a business owner or SaaS owner and needs real-time help in your AUS strategy on search optimization strategy, you can just go to my LinkedIn and drop a message here with like what is the problem you're facing, what is your business about, these details, and then we can discuss further.